Welcome all. This is chapter first, A Tale of Two Birds. And here you have the word meaning from it. So here we go. Our first word is shady, which means full of shade. Thunder, a loud noise in the sky heard after lightning. Storm, strong wind. Fortunately, luckily, hunt, to chase and kill wild animals. Tired, exhausted. Got off, climb down. Cry out, shout. Jewel, ornament. Slip away, escape. Amazed, surprised. Faint, low or weak. Clearing, a small area without trees in a forest. Gentle, soft. Comfortable, easy or relaxed. Share, divide. Behave, act or conduct oneself in a specified way. 18. Company, friend. Imitate, copy. Announce, declare or state.